Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as we wait for the Comedk round 2, there are some details which I can share about what you can expect in Comedk round 2 phase 2. So if you understand, this is the current status on the Comedk website that the architecture round 1 schedule is going to be out soon. And similarly, there is also update on the Comedk main website that the engineering round 2 phase 2 schedule will be updated shortly. So the schedule is not out, but I am expecting by end of the today or tomorrow the schedule should be out in one of the 2 days. Some people are asking about if they are eligible to participate in the counseling. So all those students who have done reject and withdraw will not be able to participate in the counseling, and similarly accept and free students who have taken the college, those two students will not be able to participate in the counseling, right? So this is the status which you can see in your decision making if you have a doubt in your mind. So basically not talking about the seats which are going to come in the second and the third round. First, with the second round, all the unallotted seats of the first round, right? Whichever seats were not filled and it was vacant in the round 1, those seats will be coming back in the round 2 phase 2. And newly added seats, if any, this is exceptional, and only one or two college may get added, but for that only new seats can be added, otherwise there will be no new seats you can expect. Seats of the candidates who have not reported to college, or seats of the candidate who have which have cancelled the seats, right? So those seats will come back in, will be available in second round. Seats arising out of reject and withdraw, I just showed you. Students who do reject and withdraw, or they have not paid the fees, automatically they will be shown as reject and withdraw. Those seats are going to come. And students who do reject and upgrade, for them also there will be no seat on hold, so that seat will also come back. And consequential vacancies, this is basically once other categories have not claimed it. So as we understand, around 3,000 seats were vacant after the HKR round, which was Comedk round 2 phase 1. So those HKR seats will now be converted into GM seats, and that is all what is called consequential vacancies. So all this put together are the total vacancies. So let me show you how much it can be there in round 2 phase 2. Before that, if we compare with the 2023 last year beginning of the round 1, there were total 22,837 seats, from which 19,627 seats were for GM category, 3,210 seats were for HKR category. So total 22,837, or less than 23,000 seats were there. But as you know, this year in 2024 the seats increased, because of which the scene increase, if you see, GM seats increased to 22,719. That means 3,000 seats for GM category increased, and 400 to 450 seats increased for HKR, from 3,200 to 3,654. So total seat increase in this year was 3,500 seats. That's all. Total 3,500 new seats were introduced in 2024. So that is a comparison between 2 years. But now if you see the total seats at the beginning of round 2 phase 2 last year, this is Comedk 2023, was 16,765. That means this amount of seat returned and was eligible for general merit student to grab in the round 2 phase 2. So in your mind, what like it would be, how much seats will be returning this year in Comedk 2024? So this is my expectation that in the this year in 2024, expected seats which will come back in round 2 phase 2 will be between 19,000 to 21,000 seats, which is a sufficient number of seats which will be available in the round 2 phase 2. And on that also means that only few students have done accept and freeze. Not more than 10% do accept and freeze, and rest of the students are going for the rest of the rounds of counseling. So as you understood, the most of the seats are coming back. So will be the most of the students. So that's why I'm saying yes, we are all back again. So round 2 phase 2 of the Comedk 2024 will also see a good amount of competition. So best of luck to all of you, and that's our update. Once a calendar is out with all the events of round 2 phase 2, I will be sharing the new update. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.